I'm gonna start it,
Yeah.
so it's going.
Right.
Just hold the video while I got this.
Wait a minute. What am I pushing?
Nothing, it's on.
Oh.
Yeah, it's on, but you gotta move your hand out of the way. The camera's right there.
Okay, what am I...
There you go. What's up, goobers and goobs? That's my YouTube thing. I found my YouTube thing. That's what I'm gonna say. Goobers and goobs. Anyway, we got a devil forge. And we're gonna melt some copper. So let's open it up. This is the money shot where you get the beer can opening, like, ready to work. A lot of broken foam in here. Wonder what that's for. User manual. Hose, regulator. Handles kind of took a beating. 1/2-inch fire brick. Blower nozzle. Hold.
Begin holding.
So I've got copper stuck